One and only.
आपका गाड़ी तो हम पहले बार देखा है ये.
Welcome back to Expulse Travel Diary. Let's move out to Sonapur shopping area. I am also going to give a small review on the hand gloves. The brand name is City Hand Gloves, so we're going to take a small review as well. I'm moving out from Southern Moscow University campus. Most of the students here, they also go and do some of the shopping from the Sonapur area itself, because that is the closest shopping area that is available this side. So the other option is to go to Guwahati city, which is also great. It's quite humid these days. However, when you ride on the bike, because of the air blast that you are getting, feel cool and pleasant. There is also rent available here for the girls. It's run by private owner. Speed breaker is not a problem on Expulse. A lot of construction is going on in the Spring Valley. Though Expulse is an off-road bike, you get real fun, even good road I mean, because of the sitting posture that is very upright, and especially now the handlebar has changed, so it's good. These are Southern Moscow University students. We have auto transportation facility as well. I have slightly changed my mic position. I mean, I have put below my mouth, so I am not very sure the voice quality, but I have to keep on trying till it gets right. Being a new motovlogger, especially with the GoPro setup, a lot of miscellaneous things have to be seen too. In this Sonapur area where I'm taking you is the place where the shopping areas are concentrated. We have one police station there. We get a lot of stationery stuff, vegetables, electronic shops. Practically all the shops that you see in the other places you will find also in Sonapur area. There are many, this is a Galaxy nursery. There are so many nurseries and dabas all along this way. And many people love to come from Guwahati city to just break the monotony of life, to chill out. So this City hand glove is airproof. I can't feel anything. It keeps you warm. They say that it is rainproof as well. I think it's good. Here is St. Patrick High School, run by Diocesan Fathers. Here there is one institute, that is Center of Plasma Physics Institute for Plasma Research, Nazarikat. There is one toll plaza within 500 meters. It's good that they don't take any toll for the bikers. I think there is some exception for those who are within few kilometer radius from the toll gate, because they live here, so they have to commute up and down for shopping and for many other work purpose. So I think there is some sort of understanding with that. So here are two Expulse. So this is the toll gate. So this bite must have been broken down. Guys, the road in Assam is great. I would always say people in Nagaland and Manipur should come for a ride this side. I will also show you the courier service available in Sonapur. The wind blast is quite a lot. I'll have to check out how is the voice coming while editing the video. If it comes out well, I will keep it. If not, then I change the position again. So I've reached the Sonapur shopping area. Thank you. So once we enter through this turning, we will find the Sonapur shopping area. So here we are. So you can see for yourself a lot of shopping going on, business thing. Actually Saturday is the market day, so probably I'll have to take you all on Saturday, various parts of this shopping area. I forget that courier service place. I have to really slow down and go. In the meantime, have a look. Okay, DTDC, this is the place. Okay. Park expos, make sure that you keep stone underneath this stand, because these mud are soft and then it will go down because of the bike weight eventually. So that's done. So we go up. So apart from courier service, what are the things also sold here? Only courier service?
No.
Okay.
Stationery. Every stationery is here.
Okay, this side, no?
Stationery, gift item, Xerox, lamination, everything.
Okay. So is this the only courier service in Sonapur?
One and only.
One and only. Then, nowadays, no? It's so difficult to find online price is actually lower than the offline, no? But what I realized recently is that if you know some social media influencers, no? Then you can get for a good price. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nice meeting you. Yeah. The rain has stopped finally. I'm very sure that the Assam Don Bosco students, especially those who have passed out from the university, will miss this place, and many memories will be ignited again. It rained for about 20 minutes and it's perfectly sunny again. It's very interesting weather. Sonapur, they are giving vaccination also here. Let me just inquire whether they are still giving or not. I have come here. This is the place where I received my first and second dose of vaccination. What I received the information is that they are giving here the booster dose for the 60 plus, and the message that I received for the precautionary dose is to take it from the private center. So that is the information I received. There is one international Radiant school in Sonapur. I haven't visited, but it's quite interesting. Right here is the Sonapur College, a place to visit. Oh, that's interesting vehicle. What is that? Oh my gosh. Wow. What is this actually? I've never seen this vehicle.
आपका गाड़ी तो हम पहले बार देखा है ये. नो हम ये पार्ट तो देखा है लेकिन सब ना घड़ी स्टाइल में तो
कहाँ जाएगा? ओ, कहाँ से बनाया ये भी? राजस्थान। ओ माय गॉड। और पीछे भी जा सकता है। ओ ओ वाओ 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 वाओ। कितना स्पीड तक जा सकता है? कितना स्पीड तक जा सकता है? 20 किलोमीटर। अभी आप कहाँ में रहता है? सोनापुर। कितना दिया ये? 1 लाख। ओके
यार अच्छा है। 1 लाख तो बहुत बढ़िया है। बढ़िया है।
ओके बाय बाय। Very interesting concept. I actually only see the sugarcane machine on the, we call it thela gari or rickshaw, but with the engine it's very interesting. That also both forward and reverse is very practical and interesting. Actually that made my day. People are so innovative, and Indians are famous for Jugaad as well. Sonapur nursery, this is a very big one. Probably I should visit here and make a vlog as well. Check the air pressure on my tire. Yes, I think he is there. भाई एक एयर प्रेशर चेक करना है. Guys, look at the rain, and the cloud also is very dark. It was so bright, let's say about an hour ago, and then things totally changed.